Hi guys, and welcome to Zozo Cooks Keto. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite keto side dishes. It's bacon wrapped asparagus. Quick, easy, and let's be honest, you don't have to be on keto to love this dish. Let's get cooking. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. For this recipe, you'll need 1 package of thinly sliced streaky bacon and 1 bunch of fresh asparagus. The first thing we're going to do is trim our bacon. Take a sharp knife and cut off 1 to 2 inches from the end, which has the most fat. A full strip of bacon is too long when wrapped around an asparagus spear, so it's necessary to trim it before we begin. Store the trimmings in a bag and pop them in the fridge for later. You can use them to add flavor when sautéing vegetables, or fry them up until crispy and toss them in a salad. We'll be using 1 strip of bacon per asparagus spear, so we need to do a quick count. And we have 13. Next, we'll do the same thing for the asparagus. Now remove the rubber bands and count out your spears. We'll save these lovelies for later. Maybe I'll chop them up and sauté them with those bacon ends we trimmed off earlier. As with all vegetables, give them a really good wash and a dry. Now it's time to prep our spears. You'll need a large baking tray wrapped in foil for easy cleanup. Take a spear and snap off the lower end. Asparagus spears have a very woody and fibrous base. The easiest way to remove it is to just bend the spear until it snaps. It'll do so at the spot where it's no longer fibrous. Take a slice of bacon and, starting from the top, wrap it tightly around the spear, making sure not to overlap. As you can see, my slices of bacon are still a little too long, so I'll need to trim off the excess. To prevent this happening with the others, we'll take another inch off our bacon slices. We'll pop these in the bag with the other trimmings for later, and continue to wrap the rest of the asparagus. One more, and we're done. At this point, you can flavor them by adding all sorts of spices. For today though, we're going to keep it simple by just adding a little pepper. Skip the salt, as bacon is already salty. They're now ready to pop in the oven for about 20 minutes. For 1 bacon wrapped spear, the macros are around 4.8 grams of fat, 0.4 grams of fiber, 1 gram of total carbs, and 2.5 grams of protein. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to see more, please click the subscribe button, the like button, and ring that bell for future notifications. Thanks for watching.